Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do migration in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here, a Salesforce guide on how to have a good migration or some best practice for your migration in Salesforce. So first you will need just to identify the data that you want to migrate. Means, do you want to migrate only the contacts info or data or only accounts, etc., etc. And after that, you will be needing to create a template for your data and to create an Excel template for each object that you want to migrate. You can use the data export from the data loader. So basically, data loader IO is a tool of Salesforce. So basically, you will need just to log in with your account, and then you will need just to go and start exporting the file as your template, and basically we can click on your task. We go to export, and from there you will add your production connection or your organization. I'm going to choose account, for example, and now we will need to start mapping. So basically you will need just to choose which fields you would like, and I'm going to use all, and I'm just going to click on next, and basically you will find these advanced, etc. And we click on save and run, and basically this file will be your template. So now you can start populate your templates. So you can review your data before populating in the templates, which would have these fields, etc. So that we have choose. So basically those are going to be the columns for your Excel's file, etc. Then at the end, you will need just to prepare the destination org by creating your custom fields if there is any custom field in your objects, so you can have many custom objects in or custom fields in your objects, etc. And at the end, you will need just to validate your data by using some of these reports, and at the end you will be able to have your migration done. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.